Need to fix thread message not sending? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If Wi-Fi is not working properly, then you can try using cellular data. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, head over to General. Inside General, scroll all the way down and move into VPN and Device Management. Make sure none of the VPN is connected. Simply turn it off if you are connected to one. Go back to your previous page of settings and then head over to iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, move into your application thread. Once you're inside the app, click on Offload App. And once again tap on Offload App, it will create a cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.